Hey everybody, we're just sitting here in the bed in the camper watching some shows on the tablet and just noticed that it's raining there over the lake. It's not raining here where we're at, but it's raining across that ridge line and on the lake here. See right there where the rain's coming down? And over here? Pretty cool, huh? You see that right there? You see where it's light green changes to dark green? That's a drop-off. Yeah? Big drop-off. We don't go over there. Nope. We just sit here safely in the bed, watching the rain across Twin Lakes. I think the rain's fixing to get us. That's the left side of the lake. And then there's the rain I was just showing you. Kind of creepy looking. And there it's coming straight for me. Right there. Right there. Got really blowy all of a sudden. When I was talking to you a second ago, it was the wind was still. Take you over here and let's look at this. Wow. It's amazing how far you can see. That is Mount Elbert there. Here at Twin Lakes, Colorado. Mount Elbert. Coming across the ridge. And I hope y'all appreciate this. I jumped out here in my t-shirt and underpants to get this in my flip-flops. So hopefully the campers that are set up a little further back can't see me doing this. But I figured y'all would want to see it. Wow. When that gets here, it's going to be nuts. There's that cliff again. Right there. Big cliff. Big cliff right there. And my little teeny tiny, and my two honey bunnies are in there, Webster and Lee. On Lee's 15th anniversary is Friday, so hopefully we will survive this little storm. Just joking. Hopefully we'll survive this little storm and get to celebrate our anniversary. So pretty out there in the distance, how glowy it is. Okay guys, I am covered in goosebumps because it's I think it only got up in the low 60s today and it's already cooled off a great deal. But I'm gonna jump back in the bed, and if it gets exciting I will let you. Hey guys, it's raining on the lake there. It's not raining here where we're sitting in the camper, but it's raining on that ridge line and on the half of the Twin Lake. Our water filtration system, they were empty, so they've blown over. So Lee has gone outside to rescue them. He's all bundled up because it's raining now, and it wasn't when I was out a minute ago. There he goes, putting the lids back on them. We need to do a video about the Berkey water filter system. We got it close to 2 weeks ago, and we are loving it. And we didn't go the stainless steel path. We went with the 5-gallon bucket path because of the way we travel. And so far, we are really liking it. It's a little pricey to set up, but we'll do a video on it. I took a bunch of pictures when he was assembling it. I just hadn't had a chance to put it together yet. It hadn't even gotten bad yet. Here he comes. Here he comes. That's my baby. Oh, rain's blowing all the way in here on the bed. And there's that side of the Twin Lakes. And now baby's freezing. Hey, Bubba. What's going on, dog? What's going on?
Where, Bubba?
We got to get our permanent windows in. When the wind gusts real hard, we've got quite a draft coming in around the windows and doors. We didn't have a chance to finish the camper when we were working on it because we had already scheduled a show in another state, so we had to just put in temporary, I can't even talk tonight. We had to put in temporary doors and windows. So hopefully we'll get those changed soon. Lee's peeping out the window, see what's going on. The big rain's not even here yet. It's just got here. But some of the mountains have disappeared. Yep, gone. Oh, Bubba's thirsty. Go, Bubba. Bubba's drinking. That is our potato chip can collection. And it's bungee corded up in between some of the studs on the walls. I've got all kinds of crap in those things. Those are the handiest things.
The Lay's ones.
They're the Lay's Pringles style stacks potato chip cans.
Beautiful, ain't it?
Yeah. Boy, look at that cloud. And the clouds behind it are just glowy. It is not doing it justice in the video at all. I mean, beautiful back there. They look artificial. I wish you could see it though. Oh, and here comes the rain fixing to come out. Clouds getting little rain legs. And that's my amateur opinion on the rain legs because I'm not a meteorologist. I'm just a weather girl. Ha ha. Does anybody know what show that line came out of and who said it? Anyway, if you know what show that came from, I'm not a meteorologist. I'm just a weather girl. Say who you think it is in the comments.